How cars actually work, explained simply. Ever wondered what makes your car go? It's not just magic. Let's break down the basics of how a car engine works in a way that's easy to understand. At the heart of most cars is the four-stroke engine. Think of it as a carefully choreographed dance of pistons, valves, and fuel. These four strokes are intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. First, the intake stroke sucks in air and fuel. Then, the compression stroke squeezes this mixture. Next, combustion ignites the mixture, pushing the piston down. Finally, the exhaust stroke pushes out the waste gases. The piston's up and down motion turns a crankshaft. This rotational energy is then transferred through the transmission. The transmission adjusts the power and speed going to the wheels. The differential then splits the power to the wheels, allowing them to turn at different speeds when you corner. Brakes use friction to slow or stop the wheels, completing the cycle of motion. Of course, there's more to a car than just the engine. The electrical system powers everything from the lights to the radio. The cooling system prevents the engine from overheating. The suspension system provides a smooth ride. All these systems work together to make your car a reliable and comfortable mode of transportation. Now you know the basics of how a car runs. Want to learn more about specific car parts or systems? Leave a comment below with your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.